Welcome back, guys, to Crypto4Life channel. Today I would like to show you the Kadena targets for the bull run with my custom indicator set. Let's dive in. Alright guys, this is the oldest chart what I found on the KuCoin, and this is a crazy seller pressure on the leasing, and the highest point on the leasing on KuCoin was around $87 and we crashed it down. So this is how the leasing looks like on downtrend. So this was end of bull run exactly on May 2021 when the SHIB listed also on the Binance. So I remember that day. So this is the end of bull run, crash it down, then new high around $28.30 and continuation of the downtrend. So we lay down now basically at the bottom, and yes, this coin has potential. This coin traded on almost all major exchanges. Take a look, this one. Binance, KuCoin, Bybit, Futures, Gate.io, OKEX. So no problem with liquidity. So you can basically go and trade. The good tier 1 venture funds invest in this coin. Here's the top Twitter followers. You can track on DropStab everything totally for free. And we can use this basic data. So now 266 million coins in circular supply, 26%. If we take a look on a vesting period, here we can find out based on DropStab, assets is fully unlocked. 70% in miners. So this one, then 20% platform, then small percentage strategic allocation, community support, coin lease option, and others. At this current moment, the market cap 463 million, and the highest point of the market cap was around 3.5 billion. So you can compare the data on CoinMarketCap and the DropStab to find out the correct data. Definitely this coin has potential. I can use my FIB for this token from the top to the main support. This one, if you didn't know how to work and why do I use this FIB, you can go and check my educational video. So of course, it's just my personal strategy and my custom FIB. You can use absolutely your own, because some people write me in the comments, like the last guy in the comments, why you posted the negative FIB. Because I use my custom FIB, guys. If you work with your standard FIB, it's okay. You can use your own. I use my own. So this is basically a zone, the best zone for accumulation. Not every single coin can drop exactly to this zone. I showed you on I showed you the few examples. So we didn't drop to this block 100% all the time. Maybe we'll come back to this zone later, because like you can see, we didn't sweep even the historical lower low. For example, on the algo, we already swept the low of 2020. So maybe we'll come back later after this cycle. So based on this FIB, 0.5 level by FIB and 61 will be the good time to fix some profit. Of course, you can believe in a new all-time high, $43, if we not count the weak candle. So let's count the realistic market cap and price target with this correction. So this circular supply, so let's say $17. At $17, we will see 4.5 billion market cap. So 1 billion more, 1 billion more than we got at the all-time high by price. So this one, $22, 3.5 billion market cap, $17, 4.5 billion market cap. So 1 billion more. So it's kind of big numbers, right? So let's say if you believe in new all-time high, $43, it's 11.4 billion market cap. So if you believe in these targets, you can wait, but of course it's only up to you, because I always recommend you accumulate step by step and distribute step by step, because I always told you, you will never catch the bottom and you will never catch the exact top. Of course, maybe by luck, you catch some lowest point, but a lot of people who trying to catch the top here, stock at $28 or 21 or even 15, and then the price dropped it to 44 cents. So here, even 40 cents was in August 2023, and let's take a look. The lowest point was here at 40 Yes, 40 cents, 40.75 was in August 2023. Basically from this low, that's not all-time low. The Kadena already pumped at 383%. Of course, it's not a time to sell this coin, but mark these levels like a sweep of this all-time low. It's the best accumulation zone. Of course, based on this FIB. We can use also another FIB, this one. This FIB from body candle or from line chart, this one. One, support, consolidation, drop it down, and we base it on this FIB. Yes, we are inside accumulation zone. So it's only the perspective, you know. So here you can use the FIB from wick candle or from body candle. So it's only up to you, and you have to build your own analysis, when to in, when to out. Based on this FIB, the levels 13 and 15. So it's more than real. So here 13 and 15, this one. So 4 billion market cap is more than real for Kadena. Absolutely, I'm more than sure. But of course, we work with possibilities. From all low, not from all-time low, but from low, this will be around 3,200% gains. So it's more than okay to fix some profit from 40 cents at $13 or at $15. So this one. So $15, a 4 billion market cap, it's more than okay to fix some profit. Based on this FIB, yes, we can go to new all-time high, $31. This one, 8.2 billion market cap. So guys, always build realistic price targets basically on your personal risk management. You know, you accumulate in zone of interest, you distribute in zone of interest. Let's hide the FIB and take a look only on monthly gaps and my indicator set. Based on gaps, because the gaps usually is like a magnet, you know, for the price. First, rejection gonna be here. So let's mark this one. This is a monthly favorable gap. This one, the start, it's $2.24, fulfill $3.46. One, next one is here. So it's like a magnet for the price, for the market makers to close the gap $4.34 and fulfill $5.87. So around here, all gaps above are already closed. So basically, we can see the move like this one. For example, continuation, because we still didn't see the main altcoin season, and then correction. That's why build a plan when to in, build a plan when to out. Because usually, for example, the summer, not a best time to buy. You know, usually by seasonality, by end of May, of course, it's not a rule, so sell in May and go away. But if we will see the main altcoin season now in spring, it will be not a mistake to fix some profit before the main correction, you know. And if you accumulate it here under $1, at $5, at $6, you can at least withdraw initial deposit and leave free coins. So let's take a look on my custom indicator set, what else did and what they do this time. ADZ direction, this one. So all this same period from January 2022, they accumulate, and here was the biggest accumulation from June till August, the biggest accumulation, Kadena around 40 and 50 cents. So if you accumulate together with the wheels, congrats, you made the right decision, and everything you could track with my custom indicator set. Here also crypto flight direction from June till October, the whales accumulate aggressively. Now we're in distribution zone on ADZ on a weekly, but no signals to sell on direction. Monthly time frame, one more time, what I would like to show you, we never seen the crazy distribution on a monthly time frame for Kadena. So this one, that's why, yes, we have a lot of room for growth to hit even $6 or even higher, you know, and we need to see the same. This is accumulation, but we need to see the same distribution zone at the top. Also, not so far from the bottom on direction on a monthly time frame. And like you know, the higher time frame, the stronger signal and the data. Money power, market mood. All this same period, it was a depression zone. So accumulate together with the whales. Blue sections, it's where the whales inflow the money hard aggressively. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then MACD warranty, RSI warranty. Then they usually withdraw initial deposit. So this is how it works, because we talk about it, the different of size initial deposit. Then we got now we got based on a market mood, kind of aphoria. pump. Well, of course, it's more than okay because around 400% we pump it. But this is not a madness like it was here. So we need to see some this size, to start distribute aggressively Kadena. Let's take a look on two less indicators. It's trade on. This one. This is how it works. Listing, accumulation here, sell, buy back, pump, sell, accumulation, sell. So you could also withdraw initial deposit, together with the whales, leave free coins and ride with the free coins, money from the air to the top. Also, why? Most likely we're going to close these gaps because we got this order flow, this one. Usually we always come back and close this type of order flow. And the last indicator is take profit. Here, we trade way over exit line. So basically, this is not a crazy bullish signal because the bullish signal, if we trade under fundamental value. So fundamental value at this current moment, 50 cents. I don't think so. We'll drop one more time to 50 cents. But of course, absolutely everything possible. And it's a buy line at this current moment, So we have to understand everything can happen with this coin tomorrow or after tomorrow. 67 cents. So exit line was at $1.50, around here. Daily time frame, yes, the same story. We go in way over this one. Test of the buy line, retest of the buy line, almost till penny. Take a look. So this was a just amazing time to buy when we tested the buy line at 40 cents. And then the road is open to take profit over the exit line. And most likely what I would like to see, it's a continuation. Something like this one. 3 drives pattern, for example, to 50% of this range. So everybody will add the limit orders at $3 psychological price. Then the correction to the buy line. It will be good. But of course, the main targets, if you like investor and if you believe in Kadena, you can wait the higher targets because I think, yes, we have all chances hit $10 or even higher, but of course, work please with your proper risk management. So guys, all targets I showed you, accumulation and distribution zones. And of course, after this high, only the sky's the limit, because we didn't see the main altcoin season yet. Main altcoin season is when the Bitcoin dominance will be 30 or 40%. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you would like to trade with my custom indicator set, what I showed you in this video, just write me a DM. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.